Response student. Substitution. Anya, can you explain the substitution method, Anya? Are you able to answer? Can you answer? Okay, tell me. What do you mean by substitution, Anya? How many variables are there in this? This entire chapter only two variables, right? X or X? Okay, any one will let's substitute. Which one? From the first equation. X. So how do you take X value? 7X remains as it is. What happens to 2Y? Other side. Next. Next one. X is equals to. This is the value of X. Where you have to substitute. Write it like this. Substitute. This will be equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in which one? Equation 2. If you substitute, what will you get? 23 is equals to 0. Others, I think all of you completed. Ananya. Yes, Ananya, answer from here, Ananya. Next step. Is Ananya online? Yeah, answer this. Be quick, Ananya. What is 11 into 20? Yeah, why are you not responding, Ananya? What's the value, students? Others can respond. Delisha, what time is the class? Not interested? 23 is equals to 0. So everything has plus, students. If everything has plus, you have to take LCM, right? LCM. So 220 plus 22y into 7. Multiply both with 7. What do we get? Yes. You can do it. You can move it. You'll just get the same answer. Okay. That is equals to 23 becomes minus 20. When here 23 becomes minus 23. So when you multiply, what you get? 15 into 7 is 5y is equals to minus 20. Then 220 plus 22 into 7 is 127y is equals to 7 goes to the other side. What do you get? Minus 23 into 7. So 220 plus 127y is equals to minus 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 161. Is it correct? All of you got the same, right? Same value? Yeah, respond, students. Can you respond? 127y is equals to 1 minus 161 minus 220. What do you get? Minus 381. So y is equals to minus 381. Once you get minus 3, what are you supposed to do? You have to substitute it. Equation 1 or 2, anything is fine. Equation 1 or equation 2. Is this clear, all of you all? Done. Question 3. Yes, you can substitute even in equation 3. Fine. So better substitute in equation 1 or 2, Kia. That's the question, right? How did you get equation 3? From where did we get equation 3? No, no, from where did we get that? From where did we get equation 3? Ah, okay. Ananya, are you facing any network issues? Why not replying? By the time you unmute and you explain, the sum only was done. Okay, send the test paper later, Ananya. Okay, this question, elimination method, students. You'll remember how to solve elimination method? Look at next plus 3y is equals to 75. 6x minus 5y is equals to 11. Right? Constant should be on the right side, variable should be on the left hand side, and it should be in order x first, y first. Okay, Anya, answer this, Anya. How do you eliminate? What do you mean by elimination? You reduce a value, right? How can we eliminate a value? Both should be same and all alphabet, and in the sign should be opposite. Which one shall we take, x or y? Y. So what should I do? Coefficient here. Multiply the first equation with 5 and the next one with, then what do we get? Plus 15y is equal to, let me write this, 55, 375. Next, 18 is equals to 33. This gets cancelled. So what's the answer you all got? 68x is equals to 408. So what is the value? 408 divided by 68? 6 times. Correct. So x is equals to 6. Where will you all substitute? First equation or second? You can choose any one, right? Yeah, substitute x is equals to 6 in equation 2. So let me take 2. 6 into 6 minus 5y is equals to 11. 6 6 is 36 minus 5y is equals to 11. Shift this 5y right hand side, 11 this side. 36 minus 11 is equals to 5y. 36 minus 11 is 25. What's the answer you all got? What's the answer, student? Yes, 5 gets divided. The value of y is equals to 5. X is 6, y is 5. What about Delicia? Where are the remaining answers, Delicia? Are you there online? Why are you not responding? Why are you silent? Hmm? You don't know substitution? You don't know elimination? Then what is this? Every day on you want me to call out your name and keep asking. Where's your test paper? Only one question you sent. Did I correct it? I think I left only your paper. Yesterday you sent only one, right? Let me check. Which question I gave? Is this the question I gave? Delicia? Is this the question I gave for test? Can you check the question paper which I sent in the group? Be quick is the question. But then you want me to correct this? If you're sending wrong question, you want me to correct? How is it possible? How do you write it by mistake? The entire question is wrong. How is it by mistake? If any one or two values are wrong, it is fine, Delicia. You can tell it by mistake. The entire question itself is wrong. Just a minute, student. Hello. And what is this, Delicia? How do you solve this? Is this the way to do it? Respond, Delicia. Unmute the call and respond. Is this the way to do? What have you cancelled here? Who taught you this? Hmm? Tell me, is this the way to solve? Then, even this by mistake you did? Which question is this? Is this the question I had given for test? Elimination. Last question. Yeah, this is what I have given. You're telling no for this? Incomplete. Where is the remaining answer, Delicia? Only 4 questions you have done. In the 2 questions are different. One question you don't know what you have solved. You got the answer a square. Whenever division is given, you have to subtract. What rule is this? You have cancelled 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 and 3 is got cancelled. Okay, you do one thing, Delicia. You better leave. You're not concentrating. I'll talk to your mom later. You can leave the class. No, I don't need sorry, Delicia. With sorry, what can I do with sorry? Are you going to get good marks? Are you going to concentrate? From past 2 months, you're telling the same thing, no improvement. See, Anya, even Anya, Dia, even if they're irregular, when they attend the class, they answer properly. They do the test paper and send. The answers are correct. The way you have written, you have copied some other question. You're not even interested. Then why do you want to attend, Delicia? Why do you want to attend tuition? You're wasting your parents' fees. Hmm? So you tell me what's the problem? In school, if they conduct tests, this is what you'll do. You'll take your own questions and solve. And then I'm telling it for your good, Delisha. If you're not interested, why do you want to attend? At least parents can save that money. Hmm? Even if it was wrong, I would have accepted. You have taken a different question and solved. How is it possible? Huh? This is the question paper I sent, right? Did you get a different question paper? Instead of this, you got different question? Then, why? What's the problem with you, Delisha? Wantedly you're doing it? This is not the first time. Even previously, half the question. If I send 10 questions, only 3 or 4 you solve. Copy some random question. Copy some random wrong question and you solve it. So I'm not able to monitor you, Delisha. I don't know what you're solving. You're not regular. Answering. See, at least other students I know the way they write the answers. So I know how much they have understood what they're trying to write. For such students, I can help, Delisha. I can take special class. I can help. But you're not interested. See, today's class you have joined. Only after sending message you have joined at 11:50. Another 10 minutes waste. Just because asking you, shouting at you, another 10 minutes waste. You better leave, Delisha. Anyways, you're not responding. You leave, I'll talk to you later. You can just leave. After the class, I'll call. Okay, shall we try the next one, students? All of you online? Shall we try the next one? See, it's not only for Delhi, I'm telling for everyone. Don't waste your time. If you're not interested, you'll tell your parents. And even one more student, I guess it was Tony. Is Tony online? No. Who is it? How can you all copy some different question and you're telling by mistake? This is not only with Delhi, even I've seen this previously. But randomly I'll take some questions and solve, then what is the point of setting the paper? Okay, exponent, that last main was left, right? Indices. And even for Anya, you're irregular Anya. You're irregular. When it comes to test, you're not sending it. Is Anya online? Respond Anya. Am I talking to you or to a different student? Hmm? Then, or it would hardly take how many minutes, student? It would, this test. Within half an hour, you were able to do the questions, whatever I sent. Maximum 40 minutes. Half an hour to 40 minutes. If you're not able to spend that half an hour to 40 minutes, see, only if you'll send the test paper, I'll tell you all one thing. By shouting at you, I don't get anything, students. I'll get fees. Okay, I'm telling it for your good. I'll get paid. I'll teach. I'll just leave. That's it. Fine. So I don't want to do that. If I'm shouting at you all, if you're not sending answers, if you're not responding, I'll definitely ask. Okay, because parents won't know. This is online class. Parents won't know. They'll be busy. They're thinking that you all are attending classes. Okay, which one was pending here? Which question is pending? 30th is done, or we are supposed to do the 30th? Check your notes, students. Look at the 29th, 30th question. 29. 30th. We'll solve 30th. Okay. See, you'll ask even for special class. Saturday, Sunday, if you haven't understood, send a message. I'm ready to take special class. But if you're not sending homework, if you're silent, test papers you all don't send, that I can't tolerate. Okay, if you are not understanding, let me ask once again. See, today evening, if you all want any class, even evening I'll be free, I can take. So the problem is on that day you all don't tell. After 1 week, after 2 weeks, then you all miss the class. After that, you will tell me that you all didn't attend. Okay, 30th question. 9 into 3 to the power of x is equals to 27, 2x minus 5. How do you all solve this question, students? Where is the power? Where is x? Is it the base or power? X is in the power. So if it's in power, try to convert everything. See, how can I write 9 square into 3x? How can I write 27? 3 cube into, yes, 2x minus 5. Multiply. Use product law here. If you use product law, what do you get? X. Yes. Multiply this. It was a simple question. Which one gets cancelled? Base and base gets cancelled. 2 plus x is equals to 15. I think complete this. Okay, find the value of x. 35, 34 is cancelled. I think even 33 is cancelled. Just check with your teacher and let me know tomorrow. And try even the 31st question. Convert 2 square, try even the 31st. Okay. So 2 plus 15 is equals to 6x plus 6. 2 plus 15 is, sorry, 6x minus. So 2 plus 15, 17. X is equals to, all of you got 3.4. Check the answer in textbook, students. 3 square, is it correct? 3 to the power of x. 3 to the power of 3 into 2x. What's the value? Is it 3 1 by 2? 3 1 by 5? Yeah, 3 2 by 5. I think for both you'll get marks. You write 3 2 by 5 or 3.4. You'll get the answer. Okay, try the next one, students. 31st question. 3 to the power of n into 9n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Sorry, 31st question. 31st. Use product rule. Right hand side, use product rule. Yes, what's the answer for this, students? What did you all get? Your base is same, and base is same, 2 plus 1. Next, 2 into 5x minus 1, 2 plus 1 is plus 3x. These two gets cancelled. What is left? 3x minus 1 is equals to 3 plus. Yeah, what's the answer? 5x, 3x goes to the other side. Minus 3x is equal to 3 plus 2x is equals to 4x is equals to. All of you all completed? Got 2? Okay, next one. Next question. Shall we try the next one? Please respond. Shall we try the next one? Yeah, 30-second question. What is 30-second? 5 to the power of x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equals to what, students? Is equals to 225. Correct, 225. See, where did we solve such question? This 32, didn't we solve in 23 and 24? Wasn't it similar? Okay, first factorize whatever you get numbers. Whenever you get numbers like this, factorize. Use 5 times. 5 fours are 20 next. 3 3s are 1. So 5x minus 3 I'll keep as it is. 3 2x minus 8 I'll keep as it is. How do I write 5 square? I mean 5. Right? Now compare them. Compare this. Write it separately, students. Write the equation separately. Not 5 square minus 3. Base rule. When base is same, what happens? So what is minus 3 is equal to x is equals to not 2 by plus 3. See, don't write anything when I'm teaching. All of you look at the screen. Okay. Don't write when I'm teaching, students. Look at the screen. Now compare 3 with this. What you get? Which one gets cancelled? 3 and 3. So what do we have? If 8 goes to the other side, x is equals to what? Are we getting 5 for both the values? X value? That's it. You should show the calculation. This is comparison question. Take LCM on the right hand side. I mean factorize and show the answer. Shall we try the next one? All of you done? Yes. Yes. Till 12:30 or till 12:40, Bhargavi. Other 5 10 mathematics. Okay. Next one. 33rd question, students. See, we have completed everything. 33rd, 34th. Last year it was cancelled, right? So what are the questions we didn't solve? 18, 19, 20. Next, 34, 33, 34, and 35. 33, 34, 35. Will you just cross check this with the teacher? Just cross check the students, cross check with the teacher and let me know. 18, 19, whether if it's there, I'll teach. If not, we'll skip. Okay, but this chapter is done. Any doubts in this? Whatever we have done so far? Do you have any doubts? Can you respond? Unmute and respond. Okay, we'll solve. What are the chapters they've done? Other chapters, what they've done in school? They've started mean and median. Okay. Next, in other class, yeah, response students, what they have done in other class. Only one chapter. Fine. 9C. What about 9B students? 9B. Yes, 9B students. What did ma'am do? Okay, 9A. How many students in 9A? Indices. Fine. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start mean and median. You'll have school tomorrow, right? School tomorrow. Okay, fine. See, that another 7 minutes is left. Revise this. What about elimination? Not elimination. Cross multiplication method. How many of you will remember cross multiplication? Respond. All of you will know cross multiplication. Did you all attend? Okay, cross multiplication. Go through that, students. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Just go through cross multiplication. One question. Okay, if not, I'll just quickly make you revise this. And no more revision on this. Okay, next week, tomorrow we'll start new chapter. Along with new chapter, I'll make you revise indices. Now, cross multiplication method. 2x minus 5y plus 8. What's the rule for cross multiplication, students? All the elements should be on. Yes, tell me. All the numbers and values should be on left hand side. Here you don't know which is left and which is right. Left hand side. What are the values I have to write here? A1, x1, b1, y1, and c1. So whoever forgot, just concentrate now. Here you write A2, x2, b2, y2, c2. Clear? And what's the formula, students? We draw a diagram like this. X, y, 1. Then what's the value I write here? B, C, A, B. Even here, B, C, A, B. Right? Just because we have two equations, the first line is 1, second line is 2. This diagram you are supposed to do it in the working column, not in the main column. This is kind of diagram. Okay, now tell me the value of x, students. The formula for this, x divided by 1, y divided by 1. That's it. Tell me for x, what's the formula? Just multiply these two. B1 into C2 minus C1. Take a note of this, complete this question and send me. This is the homework for today. What about 1? See, below 1 there are 4 equations, right? You have to take these 4. Tell me the value. A1, B2. Okay, now tell me for y. For y, take these 4. C1 into. Okay, A1 will be, for 1 it is same. A1, B2, A2, B1. Is it clear? Understood? What are ABC values? Can you see ABC values are here? Make a note of this, students. Complete this for homework and send it. So we are done 2 chapters. We'll try solving the next one tomorrow.